Today Milan tobacconists bring you Plasencia Alma Fuerte Original and Colorado Claro Ultra Premium cigars. Plasencia Alma Fuerte Ultra Premium cigars are produced by the father and son team of Nestor Plasencia Sr. and Jr., 4th and 5th generation tobacco growers and cigar makers. These Nicaraguan puros are meticulously handmade at the Plasencia Cigars factory in Nicaragua with 10-year aged tobaccos set aside from the family's farms in Estelí, Condega, Jalapa, and Ometepe specifically for the creation of their Alma lines. While Alma Fuerte represented the first launch of a Plasencia-branded line, the family has been growing tobacco for well over a century and is one of the largest producers of premium cigar tobacco in the world. In the black boxes, Alma Fuerte cigars are handcrafted with an exquisite blend of vintage Nicaraguan tobaccos, including Criollo 98, grown in the fertile soils of Plasencia family farms. Covered in dark, oily Criollo Oscuro sun-grown wrappers from Jalapa, these medium to full-bodied puros offer a perfect draw regardless of format and share vibrant, intense flavors with notes of dark chocolate, plum, baking spice, cedar, and molasses. In the green boxes, Alma Fuerte Colorado Claro cigars are beautifully constructed Nicaraguan puros blended with tobaccos harvested from the Plasencia family's farms and aged for 10 years. Blanketed in golden Colorado Claro leaf from Jalapa, these very flavorful smokes are medium-bodied, smooth, and creamy with delicious notes of cocoa, almonds, baking spice, and cedar. Thank you for visiting and come see us soon.